Let's talk for a minute about baby DAs, baby assistant district attorneys. And I hope it doesn't offend you that I use the word baby, because it's a reflection on how long they've been practicing law. It's a reflection on life experiences. Many times you get new assistant district attorneys who are fresh out of law school. Those particular individuals need guidance, need leadership, need training, need to be circulated among the different courts so they understand how it all works together. They have a working knowledge of each of the courts that are up there. It's my responsibility to train them, but it's also my responsibility to give them guidance and direction. There's a clear, distinct difference between my position and Jack Rohde's position on this. Jack's on the record as saying, I think they're qualified because they got hired. He was asked, how do you know the ADAs are qualified? Well, they got hired. The guy kind of shook his head and said, wait, no. How do you know they're qualified to do the job? Well, they have law degrees. What? All due respect to new graduates of law school who have no life experiences, you're qualified to read a case and give an opinion. And you're qualified to take the bar exam. And you're qualified to take a set of facts and make a decision. But here's the thing about law school. Law school doesn't teach you right or wrong. Law school teaches you how to twist either side of the case to be right or wrong. It's situational correctness. And the situation is, which side of the case do I have? Who's paying me to do the work? Because they're right, the other guy's wrong. So to say they're qualified because they have a law degree doesn't work for me. The district attorney must use leadership, help guide, to help train, to help mold those new ADAs that come to the department. And here's the key. I want Galveston County District Attorney's Office to be a place where good candidates are standing in line, because if they'll give me a 5-year commitment, I will give them a 5-year commitment. So at the end of that 5 years, they'll have a choice. They'll have a well-rounded experience in the district attorney's office. They'll have a chance to develop their skills. They'll have a chance to, if they choose to leave, they'll have a chance to have a marketable resume and background. But I want it to be the place where people stand in line to come to work, and they don't want to leave. They may have life choices that are required, but I don't want them to feel like they want to. I want them, the day they quit, to be a sad day for them. That's the kind of office you need to run. And you don't get there by calling the DA's office evil. You don't get there by saying, I don't need to train new people. They have law degrees. And I think the quote is basically, I'm not going to second guess them. They have law degrees. What? So if you need surgery, and you need to have heart surgery, are you just going to go to the guy who just got out of law school, a woman who just out of med school, and say, hey, you got a degree, you're qualified to cut me open? Or are you going to hope they have some training, some experience, some leadership, some background? It's the same thing. Instead of cutting your heart open, criminals are cutting your house open. They're cutting your lives open. And you don't want to trust the prosecution of those criminals to people who have never received training and guidance and leadership. Leadership is the key. I'm Tom Dickens. I'm running for district attorney in Galveston County, Texas.